Welcome to our YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe if you want to join with us. We can help. Make subscribe, share, comment, and then you can give advice. We are going to teach you and help with you how we can improve our English language, and I am going to starting about irregular verb. You will continue to other thing. Let me translate you in Kinyarwanda or both language. If you haven't learned in Kinyarwanda, I can teach you, and then if you haven't learned English, I can teach you many things in Kinyarwanda. Above words I have told, I am going to translate you in Kinyarwanda if you are Rwandan. Icyo nashatse kuvuga mu Kinyarwanda nuko tugomba gufatanya kuzamura ino YouTube channel tukazajya twigiraho English n'Ikinyarwanda. Rero kora subscribe kugira ngo dufashe. Turahera kuri verb nkuko nabivuze. Twagiye. As you see on the picture on your screen, we have two sides. Both sides. First side we have Kinyarwanda. Second side we have translated in English. First part we have English. Second part we have Kinyarwanda.